This is Melissa Moore coming to you with an important public service announcement regarding avian influenza, strain H5N1, better known as the bird flu. Avian influenza is a highly pathogenic viral infection that mostly affects birds, but is now capable of cross-species transmission. It has recently been identified in U.S. dairy cattle, according to the Texas Epidemic Public Health Institute. This is raising concerns about cross-species transmission and potential threats to both animal and human health. It spreads through direct contact with infected animals, contaminated surfaces, and in rare cases, it has been known to travel from mammals to humans. As of early 2025, it's been detected in dairy cattle across multiple U.S. states, including Texas, Kansas, and Michigan. Texas Epidemic Public Health Institute says that the first case linked to dairy cattle exposure was reported in Texas in April 2024. That case did have mild symptoms, mostly eye inflammation, after working closely with infected cattle. As of right now, the CDC does not report any human-to-human transmission. Signs and symptoms are typically mild, including conjunctivitis, eye redness, cough, sore throat, and body aches, but severe cases can include pneumonia and respiratory distress. The incubation period is 2 to 8 days post-exposure. To prevent bird flu, avoid direct contact with sick or dead birds and livestock. Only consume pasteurized dairy products. Wear personal protection when working with animals. Farmers and veterinarians should follow strict biosecurity protocols that is listed on the USDA website. As of right now, there are no international travel restrictions. Public health agencies do advise to avoid infected farms. Monitoring continues via state and federal health officials. Public resources to research this: CDC has info. Texas Epidemic Public Health Institute has local info for Texas, and the USDA offers livestock guidance. My references were CDC, Texas Epidemic Public Health Institute, and the USDA website.